No matter what, every night of the week, there's a street dance somewhere in Kingston. From people dancing on rooftops to dancing on cars, Rave Thursdays has it all.
It's the newest event on a Thursday night right here in Greenwich Farm, Rave Thursdays.
The Vibes presence is just here.
A mad move, man. Milo, big up yourself. At ready for the Rave.
Don't it?
Intense, a mad move, man. Hectic Diamonds, the elite team there.
With a party or not, this is one of the hottest for them for the Panthers.
Rollins, Energy Kid, Rave Thursday.
The Rave Thursday is an event where me I try with for a long time. Living on the street, you know, fresh side, read number 10 way. And just a goal scorer, it's a good moment.
The Rave Thursday is a good looking, you know, intense in our place, everything alright.
Be a shellings, be a dancer, come out, new moves.
Watch out, watch out!
The Rave Thursday is the maddest thing around town.
Tell them what's so intense about the Rave Thursday.
You know, see the intensity, the crowd, the people, the vibe, fully body in the place, make it well intense.
Where are you from?
I'm from Portugal.
And what brings you to Jamaica?
Dancehall.
Rave, Greenwich Farm, the new Thursday night hotspot.